What have we here? How many are there? This is too cool. This gives me an idea. Hello and welcome to the short video on the KUPO nesting apple box set. These are not your daddy's apple boxes, just like the Russian wooden nesting dolls I was playing with. Checking out. The half, quarter, and eighth all fit inside the full apple box. This saves a ton of space in your studio, grip truck, car, or my tiny New York City apartment. The lid of the full apple box has another surprise in store. A 3/16 female thread. We could screw in our 5/8 inch baby pin with 3/16 male thread and voila, we have a pigeon plate. A pigeon plate gives you ultra-low mounting positions for your lights and accessories. The apple boxes are constructed of strong 8-ply Baltic Birch Natural finished plywood designed to last. The lid just slides along a track on top of the box and locks in place by super strong magnets, resulting in a rigid box. The sliding cover has hand cutouts and the other side is solid. The set comes with all 4 standard sizes: full, half, quarter, and eighth, also known as a pancake. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment at KUPO, you like to say, never let go.